Hello everybody, how's it going? This is a Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I got this cool little vintage General Deluxe box fan, which is basically a Galaxy Lasco with the original stand. I picked this up at a cool flea market in Kokomo today for $10. I mean, you can tell it's got its use. I mean it's in cosmetically, it's in good shape, I guess. I mean, the grill's held on by some tape, but at least the grill slaps ain't broke. All right, we'll start it up on low. It's a cool little fan. I don't know why, but I've always wanted one of these, and I'm really happy I found this. And here's another General Deluxe Galaxy Lasco box fan, but this is my buddy's. Unfortunately, he won't get rid of it.
None of them.
Alright, well, now we'll go to high. It's a pretty cool, pretty good fan. I'll turn this one on for the hell of it too. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.